ooka chaka, ooka chaka, ooka chaka. Boom! How beautiful is this? Only sad thing is it doesn't fit on my carbon steel skillet and I can't use my charcoal grill. So we need to OptiGrill it. The recipe doesn't get any easier than this. Just dry the meat and then use steak mode and preheat the OptiGrill and then put the steak in like so. Just in case I want to monitor the core temperature of the steak with my thermometer, in few points I add some butter to give some color and taste. My target temperature was 65 Celsius and I think that the core temperature will rise into 71 Celsius when it's resting. Seasoning is super simple, just Maldon sea salt all over the steak and then some thyme on it. And then just wrap this beautiful thing and wait. I was so eager to jump in the table, so I accidentally cut parallel the grains, but this bit was better, so as you can see, this is actually surprisingly tender. And here was our dinner. This beautiful tomahawk steak, air fried chips, some béarnaise sauce and good salads. We all like it. Hope you like it also. Thank you very much. See you.